Why cinematographers still swear by the Aputure 300X, even in 2025. You know that moment when you finally set up the perfect shot and your light flakes out? Yeah, we've all been there, staring at gear that promises brilliance but delivers burnout. Hours wasted trying to balance color, fighting flicker, or hacking DIY rigs because your setup just isn't cutting it. You start full of fire and end up drained, frustrated by lights that hum louder than your thoughts or throw weird color casts on your talent's skin. You're not lazy, you're being sabotaged by tools that can't keep up with your vision. And then the pressure piles on. Tight deadlines, impatient clients, long days that bleed into night shoots. You're juggling camera settings, dodging gear quirks, and praying your power doesn't cut out mid-take. The stress builds, the clock ticks. That creeping feeling of, maybe I'm not cut out for this, starts whispering in your ear, all while your competition wraps their perfect setup on time. It's not just annoying, it's career costing. If your gear isn't pulling its weight, you're falling behind, fast. Enter the Aputure LS300X, your not-so-secret weapon for instant lighting redemption. This 300-watt bicolor LED point light delivers buttery smooth 2700 to 6500 Kelvin range with crazy precision, CRI and TLCI 96 plus, SSI 85/74. Whether you're lighting interviews or cinematic masterpieces, it nails skin tones, punches through modifiers, and runs whisper quiet. With 9 built-in FX, TV, fireworks, lightning, paparazzi, and more, a color control wheel, app plus remote plus DMX control, and support for optical modifiers like the Fresnel 2X, Hello 56000, plus Lux. This thing is a lighting director's dream. Plus, dual V-mount power keeps you lit anywhere. It's not just powerful, it's surgical, fast, reliable, dead sexy. Here's the kicker. Real pros still swear by it. As powerful as the 300C but more affordable, one gaffer told us. Feels like it'll outlive my crew, said another. From flawless interview keys to mood-perfect fill lights on indie sets, the 300X proves time and again why it's the workhorse of the bicolor world. Reviews rave about its rugged build, intuitive interface, killer color accuracy, and no-fuss integration into Sidus Link, giving you wireless control from up to 400 meters. And when paired with the Fresnel 2X or Spotlight mount, the results are chef's kiss. Scroll the forums. Cinematographers still stand this light for good reason. Here's the deal. Stock is thinning and competitors are gobbling up what's left. Whether you're upgrading from budget LEDs or future-proofing your pro rig, the Aputure 300X won't just meet your needs. It'll smash them. Join thousands of creators who've ditched flaky lights and gone full beast mode. Don't wait until the next breakdown or missed client gig. Buy now, secure yours today, and light your next set like you actually mean it. Seriously, this is your cue. Seize it. Or stay stuck in the dark.